Hello and welcome back to the PokeDesk. Today we got the Amarouge EX box right here. Did not even know this thing came out, so made sure to pick that. And what a glittery box it has. Alright. But to get warmed up, we have a single Temporal Forces. It's just thrown in. But then we also have the Lost Origin ETB. They are still pretty cheap to get your hands on when it comes to Lost Origin, and we still need that Giratina. So, but let's see if we can't get some single pack magic from this real quick. No. No. Alright. We do have Lost Origin. Maybe. We're gonna try to get some Sword and Shield stuff. Really like that. When we can. Before it becomes uncommon and expensive. Alright. Got coins. If you want to see everything that is in here, then yeah, go back, watch one of the first videos ever on the channel. Ooh, man, I'm messing up where we open this. So, if you want to know everything else that's in here, yeah, just go watch that video. Alright. Boom. Actually, it's the very first video on the channel, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. The very first one ever. Alright. We have our 8 packs. Let's get right into it. Go card. V-Star. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get used to the V-Star cards. Always get me. They always will. Alright. Come on. Maybe? Yes? We do get the Magnezone V-Star to start things off. We'll take that. We'll take a V-Star. Alright. We have our first pull. Let's get a few more, preferably. Ooh, 2 in a row. Yeah, we do get the Giratina V. That's not to be confused with the Altart. That is the one we want. But we will take Giratina V. Now I figure we might have 1, maybe 2 more pulls. Hopefully we can get some trainer galleries. Maybe. Alright. Bam. 2 down. Come on. 3 packs in a row. Here we go. Come on. No. No. Would have been nice. Go card. Where? Snorlax. Where are my trainer galleries? Come on. 3 packs left. Let's get 1 trainer gallery at least. Come on. Maybe? Ooh, and we get the Aerodactyl V Full Art. I don't think we've ever pulled that Full Art. And we opened quite a bit of Lost Origin. Basically pulled every Altart except a Giratina. So, you know, that tracks. We will take a Full Art though. Maybe. I'm telling you, I like the new cases, but they are very tight. All right. Okay, that was good. Maybe something else again. Oh, and we get the Radiant Gardevoir, and behind it, the Magnezone V to match our Magnezone V Star. We still got one pack left. Of course, I think we have got our quota for this box. I would be pleasantly surprised if there was more, but let's see. Bam. Radiant. It has been a while since we pulled a Radiant, so we'll take that. Maybe. There we go. Always riding the struggle bus. Alright. Bam. Completes our top row. Can we get one last pull from Lost Origin? Man, this one seems thick. Let's see. Ooh, and we do. We get the cast form followed up. That's okay. That's okay. We've pulled that cast form many a time from this set, but said I wanted a trainer gallery. I did get one, so we'll take that. It's actually really good for a ETB. We got one V-Star, a full RV, 2 regular Vs, trainer gallery, and a Radiant. So, dang. We will 100% take that look. I'll just stick them over there. Alright. Still got one more box though, guys. It is the Amarouge. I'll show the glitter one more time here. Look how glittery that thing is. Alright. Looks like we're getting another hard case in here. Let's see. Here is the way they have it. You see the hard case and some sleeves, it looks like. First of all, there is that non-promo. There is the Amarouge Full Art EX promo. And the Charcadet. Alright. Now we got 2 Temporal Forces. 2 Paradox Rift. And 2 Obsidian Flames. We will take that. We get another one of these red ones, which actually, yeah, it is the same stand they put in the Charizard one. So you guys have already seen that stand. Let's see if we can get sleeves out. There's some sleeves. Oh, there's the code card. I was wondering where it was. All right. Off to the side. Get. Oh, all 3 of them are coming out apparently. Okay. That's challenging. Don't mind me. We'll just set those there. There is a code card for you guys. As I hit the camera. Any swirls? No. No. Swirls today. At least not on that one. We will get the Charcadet next here, if I can. There we go. No swirls again. We were seeing them on every promo for a while there. Come on. There we go. Alright. Almost there. Man, there was a lot of promos in last week's video. Oh my goodness. Just trying to edit that one. Ooh, I like what they did with the texturing. It was not exactly exciting doing that editing last week. Oh, this is one of the old cases. Apparently I just had some laying in there still. Alright. Let's see if we can get some more pulls. We got 2 Obsidian Flames to start things. seeing if I had an Obsidian Flames already. Nope. Looks like we're starting to stack today. Come on. No, we do get the Darkrai Hollow. Okay. Come on. One more shot at greatness. We do get the Ninetales art rare. We have pulled that before, but what an art rare to double up on. We will 100% take that one. Especially because, honestly, I never expect much out of the non-showcased packs. And for this one, it is Temporal Forces for this box. So, I will take a Ninetales. Alright, we are on to Paradox Rift here. 2 packs of that, and then we'll end things back where we started at Temporal Forces. Let's see. No, we do get a Kingdra, but not what we wanted. No. Oh, I guess I could throw away the garbage and stuff, just leaving it next to me. Okay, I see something already. Let's go figure out what is gold in here. We get the Reversal Energy gold card. I'm not sure I pulled any gold cards from this set, so I will take that. I will take that 100%. That was very unexpected. Maybe we can get one more nice pull from Temporal Forces. And we're going to have to open another thing at Top Loaders if we do. Holy moly. Okay, there we go. Bam. Alright. Temporal Forces. Let's get some more pulls. Come on. Come on. That was just very unexpected, but we will take it. Come on. No, we do get the Koraidon there. And last pack of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe, turn the little notification bell on so you don't miss anything. And yeah, help me get us to the next giveaway here. Come on. Ah, man. Alright, the Dunsparce. That's okay. Or the Dunsparce, like if you're opening up Netflix. That's what I always think of when I see that. We will go over our pulls here, which there was a surprising number of. Zoom in a little bit for you guys. Alright. We got the Reversal Energy gold card. That very unexpected. We got the Ninetales, the Amarouge EX, the Charcadet, well, both of these non-promo guys. We got Cast Form, Magnezone V to match our Magnezone V-Star. We got Gardevoir, or the Radiant Gardevoir, you know. Alright. Excuse me. Aerodactyl V Full Art, which actually might be my favorite pull of the day. We got Giratina V and Magnezone V-Star. Again, if you guys liked the video, like the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye now.